This is the soak pit for the collecting water from the outside area, and it water should be go in the ground. So the new the steel work for the soak pit, and they are making circular steel using the 10 mm dia steel to making this one, and this outer layer of the soak pit wall is the yes, it is outer side wall is the 1600 mm dia, and inner side wall is the 1100 dia, and the thickness of the wall is the 250 mm, and they are making the conical the steel bar to make the beam should be down beam should be the conical, so they are using the triangular steel binding steel rings to making it they are using the three steel for the binding, and this the conical uh, steel for the making two downside. So when we are make it wall and want to go down, we have to just open, so it is going to be slow down, and we can make the wall, so wall will complete slow, and after removing um, the this soil, it will be sink downside. So that's why we are using the conical the beam the downside. So we are making it the steel binding, and they are using 3 bar and binding by binding wire. And this soak pit well Soakwell is the good for anywhere to sink all water. Water should be go down in the ground. Can we use any position where there is no possibility to access the water? And this one they are checking this one steel should be not higher than the means that the wall is the 250 mm, means that one is the 30 mm minimum the covering require. So the 250 wall means that one is the 180 to 190 mm the outer dia should be steel, means the covering. So the steel will be maximum the width is the only 180 mm dia. Now they are cleaning the pit, and after cleaning they are using the beam. They are going to make the beam on ground. So for that one they are using the polythene, so the cement slurry should not be go the out of the wall, and it should not be go in the sand. That's why they are using the polythene. And after this they are start the concreting. So this concrete they are just making the about the 375 mm height for that concrete. After making this concrete they are going to start the brick wall. So they are completing this one. They are completed. Now they are started the brick wall. This brick wall they are going to make the some height. After this they are going to be exact requirement height to go up, means they have to make it, and they remove the soil, so it is going to slow sink inside. When we are removing the soil from under the wall, so this is the process. Slow they are make, and they are remove soil. Yeah, they are checking the diameter of the inner wall, means ID of the wall, and it should be the 1100 as per drawing, And actually this one they are little bit make mistake. This one should be the net means there is there as per drawing that one every every one brick means 75 mm. After this they have to make the at least they are the 250 mm the open area so water can sink. So they did the at least the last moment. Now they are removing the soil. So this wall should be go slow down. They are removing soil. So it should be sink this whole wall equal. They are removing the every side the soil. So this whole wall be going to slow sink. Now they are preparing the next ring. Which one? After the first beam they are uh, the 1000 mm means the after 1 meter they are going to use this one this ring. So this ring 250 height. So 250 height means this one the we can so with the cement covering. Actually width is the 250 mm as per the wall. So the 250 means that one 180 mm width, and the height is the height of the concrete beam the 150 mm. So is okay 120 130 mm the height of the steel. Now they are fabricating. They are making the as a uh, wall. They are making for the concreting, and they are going to finish give the finishing to downside and the level everything. So after level they are using this one they are using the polythene for the it should be slurry should not be go in the sand. Now they are concreting it. It height should be 150 mm, and width of the wall already. Now this one ready. After 6 to 7 days they are ready to remove it, because they have to take the time to remove it. So it is going to dry. After dry they are planning. They are less manpower, but they are trying to pull it by hand slow. They are going to drop downside on the pit, and it will be go on the wall. And now you can see the wall is the like the space there. So water should be go out in the ground. Now they are try to put this ring should be go inside, and slow they are putting. So you can see there is the ring downside the already there is the opening, so water is going out. Now they are giving the good finishing. Now they are start the brick wall again, and this brick wall should be solid. So water from this side or anything should not be come, and the water is coming directly by pipe. And this now they are making this wall should be 1.5 meter. They are going to make the wall. Then they are going to use the as per drawing they are going to use the pipe to from the field. The water should be come in here, and the water will be just go on the inside the ground. This is a motto for the making tools Soakwell. So all water from the expected area will be come here. Now they are making the wall 1500 mm height. After again means total wall should be continue up to out of the ground. This one the 2.675 meter. They are going to prepare this one, the solid wall. There is no opening. As per finishing, they will have to do the proper solid wall. This wall from the beam 2.675 meter. Cement sand ratio also 1:4 they have to use, and they are doing it. Now this wall is the 100% ready, means that from the downside the 1 meter down is the first started from the down. The beam is the 3.75, total 0.375, then the 1 meter is the space. Now after this they are made this one. Now they are the opening in the cable trench. So cable trench, all water should be come here. So they are going to connect with the pipe. This pipe is connected. So water from the cable trench should be come inside the soak pit, and it will be going directly on the ground. Now the downside, the 1 meter area, they are filling with the brick. The brick also the 75 bricks. They are putting the brick pieces of the brick. Now this is the connecting pipe they are using. So this water should be go there. Now they are making this one, the Soakwell cover also is there ready. Now this cover is about to 7 days. They casted it with the steel. They are using the steel. The everywhere this should be 150 and now they are slow with bamboo and pipes they are using. They are bringing on the soak pit, this one, to covering it. And see this one, small manpower, but use the pipe and bamboo, they managed to bring it cover slab on the top of Soakwell. Finally they are able to manage to bring only 4 people. Now they are checking to everywhere should be same level, properly look nice. Now they are doing the finishing work on the top, everywhere cleaning, leveling. They are doing plaster work. So they are doing the nice plastering, looking like a glass finishing plaster they are doing. And this cement sand ratio also 1:4. Now giving the good finishing. So top side should be good finishing, due to it should be the no water should be rest on the top, and they are doing smooth plastering. And this is the usual for everywhere. Like you don't have anywhere the water depositing area, so you can use this one anywhere. Even in the town also you have a small place, you can use this one. This video is a good for the anywhere to use, then this good. If you are like this video, you have to subscribe it and like it and comment.